Welcome to Lemon Cone, your ultimate destination for mouth-watering recipes.
Today we have a special treat for you, chicken potato croquettes. With mayo egg filling, the perfect combination of flavors for your evening snack or lunchbox. So let's dive right in and create something extraordinary. Begin by mashing boiled potatoes. Add boiled shredded chicken, seasoning them with salt, black pepper powder, red chili powder, and chopped spring onion greens. Mix these ingredients thoroughly to create a flavorful base. For the creamy filling, mash hard-boiled eggs and combine them with salt, black pepper powder, and mayonnaise. This decadent mixture will add richness to our croquettes. Grease your hands and take a portion of the chicken potato mixture. Flatten it out and place a spoonful of the prepared filling in the center. Be careful not to overfill as we want our croquettes to hold their shape perfectly. Shape them into a cylindrical delights. Now place them on a tray and pop them into the freezer for 15 minutes.
Before we move on to the coating process, here's a gentle reminder to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell for notification. By doing so, you'll never miss out on any of our delectable recipes.
Let's proceed to coat these tantalizing croquettes. Prepare the coating by mixing egg, all-purpose flour, and milk in a bowl. In another bowl, place the breadcrumbs. Dip each croquette in the egg mixture, ensuring it's fully coated. Then roll it in breadcrumbs for a crispy exterior. Heat oil in a pan and shallow fry the croquettes on a medium flame until they turn golden brown and crispy on the outside. Once done, serve these delightful chicken potato croquettes with your favorite dip and watch them disappear in no time. They are not only perfect for snacking but also an excellent addition to any lunchbox, especially for kids. Thank you for joining us on Lemon Cone today. If you enjoyed this recipe, so thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to give your feedback on comment box.
Until next video, keep cooking, keep smiling.